Okay, look at me, my friends and my fans. My name is Ukwuani. I am a chief in Abi community. And I am standing here to let you all know that first of all, before I became an Ukwuani man, I am an Igbo man. And indeed, without me being an Igbo man, I cannot be Ukwuani man. Whatever that makes me an Abi man, to be Ukwuani man with somebody from Ashaka, it is the same thing that makes me an Igbo man with somebody from Anambra State. For those people who are claiming they are from Benin, they are saying it wrongly. They are not from Benin, they are uprightly saying they are from Idu. They are from Idu. Idu is a land of Igbo, though it has been taken over by the Benin Empire. But the truth remains, if you trace your ancestry to Idu, to Benin, then you should know that you are tracing it to the land called Idu and not necessarily Benin. You are not Benin people. You are definitely an Igbo man. The only way you can erase that fact is that you will stop bearing the Igbo names you are bearing. Your father's name is Igbo. Your mother's name is Igbo. Your name is Igbo. Your community name is Igbo. Your market days are the same thing with the Igbos. And you come out to claim you are not an Igbo man. You are telling yourself a big lie. That is why I said this day, I will continue to put this in our hearts. We will continue to hear this truth that they have kept away from you people for a very long time. The truth remains, and nothing can change that truth. We are all Igbo people. So don't run away from it. That's the truth. Thank you.